What's up, you guys? It's me, Alyssa, and today I'm going to open up a Piki Pop. Today I got my HB peers, and I got these little bunny things, little bunny glasses, but I'm going to take them off because they're kind of going in my eyes. Not my eyes, the little bunny mouth is going in my mouth, or the bunny nose mouth thing, whatever. So, got my first Piki Pop. So, just tear open the thing where it says pull here, tear it open, tear, or whoops, daisy. Oh, hit my camera. Oh. Chicken animal. Or can we just use this? No, can't. And pull up this like choking hazard ticket thing. There's choking hazard on it. Can't get it open. Ew, that hurt by the time. Piki Pop, open. Oh, open. I was open the door. What is this like? Oh, let's get our collect. What is this? Is it a message? Like a little card. But I'll look at that later. And later in the video. Let's open up this. Let's open up this. Ooh, it's so cute. Like a little collectibles. No collectibles guide-ish. Wait. I'm not sure what this is for. But let's open up the little card. Ooh. Some birdie told me you're amazing. It says chocolate. It says some birdie. Maybe it's supposed to be somebody told me that you're amazing. Maybe it's a bird. Maybe we got some kind of bird. It smells like chocolate. Ooh, and it says chocolate on there, but you smell like chocolate. And it smells so good. How do you open up you? Oh, it's a little bird. It smells like Go-Go Puffs. Let's see who you are on here. You on this side? Yes, you are. You're Twigs. We got Twigs, and she's 2 out of 9. And you are chocolate scented. Oh, it's Twig the parakeet, and then you are chocolate scented. You smell so good. But what is this for you? Stick it up your butt. What is this for? Is it a little spoon for you? You smell so good. I smell. Can you smell it? It smells so good. I wish you guys could smell it. I'll let the world smell it because it smells so good.
I think you're getting very, very tired.
How many years we pierced today? Let's see.
I know, I can tell.
Oh, you're common. I thought you were rare. Common.
Yeah, so on her computer, I'm logged in. I went to my station.
I wish I get a good one. But you smell so much like Cocoa Puffs. Okay, let's put this back together.
After video?
And with our little message,
It's just that
put that at the bottom. Then put a little birdie.
this is the one, the Home Depot, middle of nowhere, right?
Oh well, we're done. Like and subscribe.
Get it and
Peace.
add break.
Peace.